Welcome back, traders! Today, we're diving into the world of automated trading with a game changer you won't want to miss: the boom and crash auto trading robot. Are you ready to revolutionize your trading game? Let's dive in. A minimum deposit of just $100 unlocks the door to endless profit potential. With daily returns averaging a staggering 15%, the boom and crash auto trading robot is a force to be reckoned with. But wait, there's more. We're not just telling you about its success. We're showing you live backtesting with a mere $20. That's right. We're putting the boom and crash auto trading robot to the test in real time, right before your eyes. I couldn't believe it at first. But this robot changed the game for me. With just a small deposit, I'm seeing consistent profits like never before. It's like having a seasoned trader working around the clock for you. I've been able to grow my portfolio steadily, all thanks to this incredible tool. See those results for yourself. That's the power of automated trading at your fingertips. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to a smarter way to trade. Ready to take your trading to new heights? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link below to get started with the boom and crash auto trading robot today.